DappleWorks has a powerful purchase workflow that empowers authorized users to generate purchase quotations, purchase orders, purchase invoices, and any other documents or tasks related to purchasing. Documents may be generated at any stage of the workflow and/or converted to other purchasing documents as required. For this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to generate a purchase order and convert it into an invoice. Then we'll make payments to the vendor. Let's get into the Purchases module here. Right away, you will see the purchase workflow. To create a purchase order, click this icon. You are presented with a purchase order form. I am using the DappleWorks Biz standard package, and you will notice that you can select the vendors from the list. The date is auto-filled to today's date, and you can change the date if necessary. For DappleWorks Biz basic subscribers, the vendor management module is not included, so you will need to select cash purchases as vendor and manually key in your vendor addresses. Now, we need to add items, services, and/or miscellaneous items you wish to purchase. DappleWorks Biz basic users will only be able to add miscellaneous items. Select an item or service from the drop-down list, or select a purchase account and key in a description for miscellaneous item. The Details button will display information of the item or service selected from the drop-down. Click on the corresponding Add button. Key in the quantities required and click Update when done. A finance admin will be able to approve the purchase order and post this transaction. Assuming we are agreeable to the vendor's quoted prices and we have received the goods, we can convert the quotation into an invoice. Select the purchase order from the list by clicking the Alter icon. Select Invoice from the drop-down and click the Convert button. The invoice is automatically generated based on the quotation details. Now, simply click Update. The finance admin may post this invoice once confirmed. Once the invoice has been posted and we are ready to make a payment, the finance admin will go into the Payables module and make payment for the invoice. Select the vendor to be paid. Choose an account to pay from and key in payment details. In the bottom section, a list of invoice numbers with the amount due can be seen. Key in the amount paid for the invoice. If it is a partial payment, the value paid can be keyed in and the system will automatically handle it. One can also make multiple payments on multiple invoices by simply keying in the amount paid for each invoice. When done, click Process Payment. It is also possible to make payments by going into the invoice list this way. Click the Invoice tab. Click the payment icon on the invoice to be paid. Now the admin will see a similar purchase invoice screen. With this method, there is only one purchase invoice presented in the list. The process for creating all other purchase documents and tasks are similarly streamlined and standardized for usability. Here's a tip to save some time. If you find yourself regularly sending purchase orders to a vendor for items ordered on regular cycles, you can create a purchase quotation and convert it to purchase orders as many times as required.